Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file a patent online, step by step. First, it's crucial to understand what qualifies for patent protection, like new inventions, unique designs, or even certain plant varieties. Before you proceed, conduct a thorough patent search to confirm your invention is truly novel and not already patented. This initial research saves significant time and effort. Finally, gather all necessary details, including detailed drawings and a comprehensive written description of your innovation. Next, focus on crafting the core of your application. Begin by writing a clear abstract, a brief summary of your invention, ideally under 150 words. Then, meticulously draft your claims. These are the most critical part, defining the legal boundaries of your invention's protection. Also, include a background section that clearly explains the problem your invention addresses and how it improves upon existing solutions. Now, let's move to the actual online submission. You'll need to create an account on the official Patent Office website, which is typically a straightforward process. Carefully fill out the electronic application form, ensuring all information is accurate and complete. Finally, upload all your meticulously prepared documents, such as your detailed drawings and written specifications, making sure they adhere to the specified file formats for a smooth submission. After successfully filing, there are a few more steps. You'll need to pay the required filing fees, which can vary significantly based on the type of application and whether you're a small or large entity. It's vital to regularly monitor your application's status and promptly respond to any communications or office actions from the patent examiner. For complex cases, consider engaging a patent attorney for expert guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.